The Bradford White gas water heater is an eco-friendly gas water heater with ultra-low nitrous oxide emissions. It features intelligent diagnostics through an LED screen that gives you 10 different indicators, letting you know how your water heater is functioning. The flashing light informs you that the pilot light is operating correctly. However, there is also a window for you to actually see the pilot light burner at work. This water heater utilizes a microprocessor that monitors and controls what your burner is doing to keep the water temperature at the correct level. The trademarked Hydrojet system has a cold water inlet pipe that swirls water around the bottom of the tank to help reduce sediment accumulation. The durable steel tank has an enamel lining which protects the tank from corrosion. Factory-installed heat traps cut down on heat loss in the pipes, also helping to reduce energy consumption. The heater comes with an installed TNP relief valve for safety measures. This releases water from the tank if the water temperature or pressure reaches unacceptable levels. The Bradford White residential gas water heater. Simply put, the only water heater you will ever need.